A TENS Cover-Dri is a range of underpads designed to protect beds, chairs, and other surfaces. They are available in a range of sizes and 2 different absorbency levels. The top sheet is made of very soft, skin-friendly materials. On the surface of a TENS Cover-Dri, you will see many different absorbent cushions, separated by channels. The channels quickly spread the liquid, making sure the absorbent capacity in each cushion is fully used. This reduces the risk of leakage and will keep the surface dry and protected. After usage, simply dispose of the pad. There is a special size of Cover-Dri with tuckable wings, which can be used to secure the pad in place on beds. Do you have any further questions? Don't hesitate to contact us.